All right, the drink we're about to make is called Big Yellow Banana. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass. And we're going to measure out 1 ounce of vodka. And a half an ounce of banana liqueur. All right, next we're going to add a splash of lime juice. And we'll go ahead and shake it up. Just a little bit, just to get those ingredients mixed together. Go ahead and grab your glass and pour it in. And we're just going to top it off with some club soda. We'll give it a nice fizz action. All right. If you like, you can give it a little stir just to get the club soda mixed in. And we'll go ahead and garnish that with a cherry. Add a straw. And that is a Big Yellow Banana. Bottoms up.